If you build with WordPress, you know how much life gets better when you can run sites on your local machine. Development is faster, testing is safer. Overall, your site building workflows just go smoother. And when it comes to local WordPress development, no solution is more trusted or more widely used than Local by the team at WP Engine. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get set up and get the most out of Local so you can spend less time troubleshooting and more time building. Let's get started. We'll start by downloading Local from localwp.com. It's available for Mac, Windows, and Linux, and installation takes just a few minutes. Once it's installed, we can create a new site by clicking here. Let's call this one Pete's Plumbing. From here, we can either go with the default settings or customize things like PHP version or web server. But now let's just keep the defaults. We'll set up a WordPress username, password, and email, and click Add Site. And that's it. Local handles everything behind the scenes. Server config, database setup, WordPress installation, it's all automated. In under 30 seconds, we've got a fully working WordPress site running locally. To make life even easier, you can turn on one-click admin. Let's just jump straight into the admin for the site. From here, you're free to build with all the power of WordPress at the speed of your local machine. Now let's look at a few bonus features that make Local really stand out. Want to switch PHP versions or test with a different server configuration? Just a couple of clicks. Need to share a site you're building with a client or colleague? Instead of setting up a staging site, you can use Local's live link to generate a secure, shareable URL right from your machine. And if you host with WP Engine, deploying the site live is built in, just a few clicks. There are also add-ons for backups, image optimization, managing your database, reusable blueprints for sites, and even working with headless WordPress. So instead of spending 30 minutes setting up a site manually, we're up and running in just 30 seconds. Sharing our work is easier, testing different site configurations is faster, and even managing lots of sites within Local is simple. And that's a quick look at Local. It's free to download, so if you build with WordPress, jump over to localwp.com to get started.